Realme releases another smartphone of its popular Realme 5 series called the Realme 5i. The handset is somewhat similar to the standard Realme 5, but it's dubbed to have a compelling price point. So today we will be having our unboxing and first impressions of the Realme 5i. I'll also share to you some of my initial photos using the device later on, but for now, please hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and you can also click that bell icon below so you'll know when we publish new videos. Okay, with that out of the way, let's now proceed to the unboxing. Opening it, we'll see the main unit. Well, we have the forest green variant here, a stunning choice for color configuration, I must say. I really like it. The Realme 5i has a blue color, but I prefer this green one. Moving on, we have the wall adapter and of course, the micro USB cable. It makes sense that Realme skipped the Type-C port for the 5i since this is only an entry-level offering. Design-wise, the Realme 5i is not too shabby when it comes to aesthetics. In fact, the forest green variant is an eye-catcher, especially when you see it in the wild. The back panel reminds me of Asus Zenfone's concentric circle design, only that the center is not found on the smartphone's body. This, in turn, gives the handset a matte-like finish. It really feels good in the hand. You know, if I would see this one on public, I wouldn't think that this is an entry-level phone. Just like the Realme 5, we still got the same 6.5-inch HD Plus display. Okay, ports and buttons are still on their no-nonsense position. The right side is a home to the power button, while the bottom part houses the 3.5mm audio jack, the speaker grill, and the micro USB port. The volume rocker is on the left side with a SIM tray. The Realme 5i is generous enough to include a dedicated slot for the micro SD card that's on top of the 2 slots for the SIM cards. Realme is also marketing the handset to be the first quad camera smartphone in its segment to have the EIS feature, or what we call electronic image stabilization. So as promised, here's our initial photos using the device. The camera module is still a combination of 12MP main and an 8MP ultrawide. There's a dedicated macro camera, which is a 2MP sensor, and another 2MP sensor for the portrait. It has a 5000 mAh battery with reverse charging technology. It means that it can function as a power bank for your other devices. It is still powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 655, which to me is a very efficient chipset for entry-level and even mid-range smartphones. In the Philippines, it will be having 3GB of RAM, 64GB storage configuration upon release, unlike the company's releases in other countries like India, which has 4GB of RAM. I think that's all for today. We are very excited to take this device for a spin, so stay tuned for our review. Thank you very much for your support, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.